What if your car could do way more than just drive? I'm talking about gadgets that save you time, boost safety, and honestly feel a little futuristic. Welcome back to Quincy Gadgets, your go-to spot for the coolest Amazon finds. Today, we've got 12 insanely useful car gadgets, and a few of them might completely change how you drive. Ever had your laptop die right in the middle of a road trip? Or your phone at 1% when you need GPS the most? Here's the fix. This 200W Car Power Inverter turns your car into a mobile charging station. Just plug it into your cigarette lighter, and now you've got full AC outlets and multiple USB ports. Charge your laptop, phone, tablet all at once. And here's the cool part. It even shows your car's battery voltage in real time. So you're not just charging, you're staying in control. But this is just the beginning, things get even more interesting. Ever caught yourself speeding without even realizing it? That's exactly how tickets and accidents happen. This GPS HUD speedometer projects your speed right in front of you. No more looking down at the dashboard. Just plug it in, and it instantly shows speed, direction, and alerts. Here's the smart part. It uses GPS, not your car system. So it works in almost any vehicle. And if you go over the limit, it warns you immediately. Simple, but it could save you a lot. And this isn't even the most surprising upgrade yet. Ever tried driving in heavy rain and your side mirrors are completely useless? That blurry view can be seriously dangerous. This retractable mirror Squeegee lets you clean both mirrors in seconds, without leaving your seat. Just extend it out the window and wipe. Done. The soft rubber blade clears water fast without scratching. And here's the best part. It reaches up to 39 inches, so both mirrors are covered in under 30 seconds. Simple tool, but it could save your life in bad weather. Alright, quick question. Which one would you actually use every day? Drop your pick in the comments, I'm curious. And if you're into smart car upgrades like these, hit subscribe, more insane gadgets coming up. Still driving a car with no Bluetooth? No music streaming, no hands-free calls? Yeah, that gets old fast. This Bluetooth FM transmitter upgrades your car instantly. Just plug it in, pair your phone, and boom, wireless music and calls through your speakers. But here's where it gets interesting. It also fast charges your devices while you drive. And with noise cancellation, your calls stay crystal clear even in traffic. Old car, completely new experience. Ever felt your car interior looks boring at night? Or too dark to even find things quickly? These mini USB ambient lights instantly change the vibe. Just plug them in, tap to turn on, and adjust the brightness with a touch. But here's the twist. They use a retro glass design that gives off a warm, cozy glow. No harsh light, just a clean, relaxing atmosphere while you drive or chill. Small detail, big difference. Ever had your tablet fall mid-drive, especially on rough roads? That's not just annoying, it's dangerous. This heavy-duty tablet mount locks your device in place with a massive suction cup and a reinforced metal arm. It stays stable even on bumpy terrain. Adjust it to the perfect angle, reduce glare, and keep your screen exactly where you need it. And yes, it works for both tablets and phones. Built for long drives and zero distractions. So far, which gadget surprised you the most? Be honest. I know at least one made you go, I need that. Drop it in the comments, and if you love smart car upgrades, hit subscribe. It only gets better from here. Tired of messy charging cables all over your car? And somehow you still never have the right one? This 4-in-1 retractable car charger fixes that instantly. It packs multiple cables into one compact unit. Just pull, charge, and it snaps back clean. Here's the cool part. It delivers up to 69W fast charging, powering multiple devices at once. And the built-in starry light? It adds a subtle glow at night. Clean setup, powerful charging, zero clutter. What if your car breaks down in the middle of the night? No lights, no warning. That's a serious. This LED emergency flare kit makes sure you're seen instantly. Just place them on the road, stick them to your car, or hang them up. They flash in multiple patterns, even in heavy rain or fog. And here's the crazy part. They're crush-proof and magnetic. So they stay put no matter what. One small kit could prevent a major accident. Ever parked under the sun and came back to a burning hot car? That heat isn't just uncomfortable, it can damage your interior. These magnetic stretch sunshades snap right onto your window frame in seconds. No suction cups, no hassle. They block harmful UV rays while still letting you see outside. And here's the smart part. You can roll the window down without removing them. Cooler car, better protection, zero effort. Alright, be honest. Which one would save you the most money? Scratches, heat, or emergencies, what's your pick? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. More smart car gadgets are coming your way. Ever opened your car door and heard that painful ding? Yeah, parking lots are full of surprises. These door edge guards create a protective barrier around your doors. Just stick them on, no tools needed. They absorb impacts from other cars, shopping carts, even tight spaces. And here's the best part. The soft rubber blends in and won't ruin your car's look. No scratches, no dents, no stress. That split second can be risky. This 6.8-inch GPS HUD display puts everything right in front of you. Speed, direction, trip data, all on one clear screen. Just plug and play. But here's where it gets smart. It auto-adjusts brightness for day and night. And if you've been driving too long, it reminds you to take a break. More awareness, less risk, smarter driving. Ever turned the key and nothing happens? Dead battery. No help around. That's the worst timing. This 4000A jump starter brings your car back to life in seconds. No need to wait for another vehicle, just connect and start. But here's the powerful part. It works on both gas and diesel engines, even in extreme weather. And it doubles as a fast charger and emergency flashlight. One device, total peace of mind. So which gadget are you getting first? Be honest. At least one of these is already on your wish list. Comment your pick below, and if you made it this far, hit subscribe. More insane gadgets are coming next. Ever noticed dust building up in your air vents and you just can't reach it? That's where your car starts to feel old. This soft detailing brush gets into every tight space, vents, dashboard, buttons, without scratching anything. Just a few quick swipes, and it looks brand new. But here's the satisfying part. It traps dust instead of spreading it around. And it's small enough to keep in your glove box. Clean car, fresh feeling every drive. 12 gadgets, and each one solves a real driving problem. From safety to comfort, even saving you money in the long run. Now I'm curious, which one would you actually use the most? Drop your answer in the comments, I read them all. And if you love discovering smart car gadgets like these, hit subscribe and stick around. Because the next video, it might have the one thing your car is still missing.
We're a team passionate about discovering the smartest and most useful car gadgets. Our mission is simple: help you drive safer, smarter, and better every day.